Hello everyone. In this video, how to make a square in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then create a new canvas, then select shape tool, right click, use rectangle tool, and first of all use without stroke, hold shift, click and draw on your mouse. Then now see this, make square again, create a new layer, click again shape tool, without fill, only stroke, press enter, hold shift, increase the stroke size and edit stroke. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.